Hello guys, this is Azar from Team GVM, and in today's video we're going to talk about the new Pro SD200B and address some of the questions you guys been asking for. All the Pro Series lights come in a very secure and well-built bag. This is convenient for traveling and keeping your lights secure. In the bag, you will get a hyper reflector, a power bank, a power strip, and the light itself. Now let's talk more about the light. The Pro Series lights features an industry standard Bowens mount, which means any light modifier come with a Bowens mount can be used with our light. And at GVM, we offer various sizes and options of lantern, softbox, as well as F40 Fresnel attachment. This is Fresnel F40. If you used one before, you probably know what its functionality is. For those who don't know, a Fresnel attachment basically is an optic that you can put in front of your light to change its beam angle, to either make the spell more narrow, to achieve a stronger output, or make it wide to cover more area. Another fantastic feature of the lights is its built-in fan mode. Pro Series features 3 different fan modes, one being smart, silent, and high. I do want to mention that if you switch the fan mode to silent, your output will reduce by half. This is to protect the internal wiring and electrical parts from overheating. In most cases, we recommend you to keep the fan mode at smart. There are many budget-friendly lights in the market nowadays, most of them being built out of a plastic material. Plastic materials have its own benefit, which is it can reduce overall weight of the products. However, I do notice that after intensive use, it do start to give out a strong, noticeable burnt plastic smell. I'm not sure if that's something will cause a health concern in the long run. However, with the Pro Series and its metal construction design, you do not have that issue at all. Another thing you guys mentioned a lot is how user-friendly our GVM app is. One of the functions I love the most out of the GVM app is how you can control your light in a group all together. This definitely saved me a lot of time on set. We have received a lot of compliments about how streamlined and user-friendly it is. Now, let's take a look at some of the built-in light effects. Now in my hand, I have a Sukonic Spectromaster light meter. This is one of the most accurate light meters in the market right now. And we're going to put SD200B Pro on the test. Stay tuned for the result. Remember, if you want to do this test on your own, please be in a completely dark room. And remember to take off the hyper reflector, as well as stay 1 meter or 3.3 feet away from the light. Alright, right now we are moving on to the testing stage. We're going to test out different color temperature range to see how accurately the colors are represented. So right now we're at 2700 Kelvin and the light intensity is at 100%. And we're testing at approximately 1 meter, 3.3 feet away. Testing. So we're getting 2653 Kelvin. All right, now the light is at 3000 Kelvin, still at 100% intensity. We're going to test. All right, we're getting 2961 Kelvin. Now we're moving up to 4000 Kelvin, still at 100% intensity. And we're getting 3952 Kelvin. Moving on to 4600 Kelvin. 1, 2, 3 testing. All right, we're getting 4555. All right, we're gonna move on to 5000. Right now the color temperature range is at 5000, still at 100% intensity. Testing. And we got 4962. Now we are at 6000 Kelvin. 6000 Kelvin, testing. 1, 2, 3. And we got 5917. All right, we're moving on to 6500 Kelvin. Still at 100% intensity. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got 6445 Kelvin. Now we're at 6800 Kelvin. Testing. And we're getting 6729. Now we're going to change its color back to 2700 Kelvin and test out its CRI level. And for the CRI level at 2700, we got 97.8. Now we're going to go all the way up to 6800 Kelvin. And at 6800, testing. The CRI level is 96. We're also going to test out its TLCI level, which is another color index that usually used in light industry. So at 6800 Kelvin, we're getting 99 TLCI, and the CCT level is showing 6735. Now we're going to turn the light down to 2700 Kelvin, still at 100% intensity. Testing its TLCI level, and it shows 97, and the CCT level is at 2652. Thanks for watching the GVM channel, and we will see you guys next time.